Have you heard of these companies? Do you buy from them? Did you know that they have a program that will pay you to recommend them? Yes, the program is called Affiliate Program, and the process of recommending is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is as old as I am. Like, I can't believe it. It's from 1989, and I can't believe how widely unknown still is. It's a simple process where you pick one thing or service or product that you know and that you love, and you recommend it. And every time someone buys through you, you get paid for it. An average yearly salary of affiliate marketer is 170K. Last year was only 150. It means it grows and grows, and it will grow with or without you. An average monthly salary is 15K. It's legit. It's going nowhere. You can work on your own terms. You can work from all over the world. All you need is phone, laptop, and internet. It doesn't take much time, and it gives you the freedom. Financial freedom and time freedom. And also location freedom. Not bad for a little side hustle. I could stay here and talk about it whole day, no problem. But I created a free beginner's guide for this purpose, where I explained everything, what it is, how it works, and what you need to start. It will also give you an access to the exact same training I took when I first started. Highly recommended.